Hi, I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs, and we're going to look at the Seismic mission. In the Seismic mission, we have 3 different categories from Hello World, Intermediate to Brilliant. In your Hello World, you're going to get 2 points if you can report the seismic activity anywhere on Mars. And to do this, you're going to be reporting the accelerometer strength from any location on Mars. For the intermediate section, you're going to be reporting a quake, and there's going to be 2 quakes that happen during your 5-minute period on Mars. If a quake is going to occur, your screen is going to flash 5 times. After the 5 flashes, there's going to be a 5-second period where a quake is occurring. If you can report the amount of accelerometer strength or seismic activity during these 5 seconds, you're going to be awarded an additional 5 points per. Finally, for the Brilliant or Advanced section, you're going to be given an additional 1 point for reporting which value of the previous 2 quakes was the highest, which one was the lowest, and also what the average seismic activity was. This is for a total of 15 points. For further information on our other missions, be sure to check out our other videos.